Hi, it's Mary from Facial Aesthetic Concepts. I hope everyone is doing well and still sheltering in place. I know it's been a few weeks, but it's nice to be home. I kind of wanted to go over a few tips. I know Nikki's been awesome with her videos, and so we figured we'd join in. I just kind of wanted to touch base on some questions that I've been asked in the past or have been currently getting. The number one is, if I'm not doing anything, why do I need to wash my face? I feel like that is a number one question that needs to be answered. Just because you're not doing anything doesn't mean you don't have to wash your face. It's the same thing with sunscreen. Well, I'm not going outside. Why do I need it? I'm like, well, I'm sure you've sat next to a window or walked by one in the kitchen or your bedroom, so you're still getting sun exposure. So right now, just because we're not going to work, we're not, going to school, we're not seeing our friends, doesn't mean we're not wearing makeup that, I don't need to wash my face. You do. Your body is still going, you may not be working, but your body is, and especially your skin. So it is important that you maintain a routine like you have before. So when you get up, it is important that, if you have seen me, my favorite things are you need to sweep before mopping. So you need to cleanse the skin to remove any top oil, kind of any debris, anything that's sitting on top, whether it's in the morning or in the evening. And that used to be really well represented with people who wear makeup, because all of my young men, older men, why do I need to do that? I didn't wear makeup. Well, you still have to. You still got oil, you still got dead skin, that all needs to be washed away. That way when you exfoliate, mopping, you're removing a lot of that excess dead skin. Because what happens if we don't do that is that it acts as an unhealthy barrier that bacteria can thrive on, and then if they've got a food source, then they've made a home. So that's when you start noticing a lot of breakouts. You may get whiteheads, or right now you could end up with a lot of underground breakouts, which are red and underneath the skin. And again, that's because we've not been properly maintaining the surface. So it always works its way down. So it is important that in this time, that even though, again, like I said, we're lucky we put pants on every day. So it is important that you're getting up, you're washing your face, brush your teeth, exfoliate, put your moisturizer on, and your sunscreen. Because again, just because you're not necessarily out and about, or you're at the beach, or you're not exercising, doesn't mean you're not going to be in the way of the sun, and you want to do everything you can to protect yourself. So, and you want to have some sort of normalcy, because right now it's really not normal. But, this is the main foundation of most questions, whether it's what can I do for anti-aging, or what can I do if I'm breaking out? Well, number one, you need to make sure you're maintaining your routine. That's number one. If you're not doing that, then there's no point in adding a serum or anything else, or doing facials. It's what you do at home and on a regular basis. So again, you have to wash your face in the morning, even though if you did nothing the night before, or you washed it before you went to bed. I pose the question, you brushed your teeth before you went to bed, does that mean you're not washing them in the morning? So brush your teeth, wash your face. You still are producing oil, your skin's still doing its normal function. Even though you may not be, it is. So step one, maintain a routine. Try to be as normal as possible, especially today and with everything going on. That way it just builds a stronger foundation for you later on. So I hope that's helpful. I hope to see you guys soon. Hopefully not 9 months pregnant. Well, actually, I think I'm at my 40 weeks. But I definitely miss all of you. And next up, I believe Simone is going to show you how you can make your own treatment mask for to go out and about. Hopefully it's something very fashionable. I'm sure it is. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.
Hi everyone, it's Simone coming to you from Facial Aesthetic Concepts with a tip for sheltered in place. This is something that a lot of patients and everybody's been requesting on how to make your own mask. So of course that we save the other supplies for the medical workers, the emergency services. So here it is, my tip that I actually learned with Dr. Sanjay Gupta from CNN. I really like him. He's a great source for COVID-19 tips. So I'm gonna share with you. You are gonna need a scarf, and these are just those great fun scarves that you can purchase, and 2 elastic hair bands, the little hair ties. Okay, I chose the black because it matches with my color. And then we're gonna place the scarf in front of you on the counter or a table, and we're gonna fold it 3 times. So the top end, the bottom end to match it in the middle, okay? And then 1 more time over. Okay, so this is what you're gonna end up with. And then using your hair tie on the side, and then fold over that little part. So you have your hair tie here. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other side. Same thing, going over here, and then fold over 1 more time. So you have your tie. Okay, and now we're gonna get ready to place it. And I really like this because you can wash it when you're done using it. So I wash mine every single day. So it's safe and sanitary, and it's also recyclable. So I feel like I'm doing my part. So we're all gonna be doing our part. So we're gonna go over here over the ears and covering the nose and the mouth. And then on the other side, and of course you can just adjust it to make sure that you have everything closed. So I really like this because when I take my walks on the weekends, of course keeping my distance from everybody, but I will put my glasses on, keeps it really in place, so you have everything covered. And like I said, it can be washed. You can adjust it a little bit on the inside. If you need to make it a little tighter, you can pull it a little bit more on the inside here and make it a little tighter, so you can kind of adjust it so it's nice and snuggle. Okay, so you have everything covered, and it's washable, and we're trying to do our part. I really hope this helps. It's one of my favorite tips. We're gonna be posting more tips on how to shelter at home safely, and we'd love to hear from you. So you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, post your comments and questions. We're gonna be doing videos and fun things every week to help you, the patient at home. And we miss you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, everybody.